Good afternoon, students. They are going to present about the power of simplicity. Okay, all of you listen carefully.
So good afternoon, respected teacher and my dear friends. I'm here to tell a story based on the quote, "The power of simplicity." Okay, let's take an example by using a story. Okay, this quote will be explained by telling a story. Okay, in a small town, there lived a teacher. His name is John. Okay, so he used to teach well, and many students from far and wide come to him for telling their problems and all. And he also solves all the problems. One day a man came to him and told him, my life is so stressed. My life is so stressed. I'm feeling so heavy and I'm not able to handle everything. Okay, many of us feel right now also. We are stressed for certain things which are unnecessary. Many of us feel for things which are useless. Like we don't even know why we feel stressed. So like us, a man came to him and told, I'm so stressed and all. So this teacher smiled and said, okay, smiled and gave him the jar. Okay. Along with the jar, he also gave pebbles, stones and sand. And this man asked the guy to fill this. Can you just arrange all these things into the jar? The man was like, okay, it's not a big deal, let me do it. So the man filled the jar. First, he put sand, followed by the pebbles, and then the big stones. Okay, the jar was overfilled. He wasn't able to cover all the things inside the jar. So then he took the jar and asked the teacher, it's impossible. The teacher then told, is it impossible? No, it is possible. Then he removed everything from that, and first he inserted the big stones. Okay, so big stones and then pebbles, followed lastly the sand. Now the jar was filled. Everything was normal. Everything fitted inside perfectly. Okay, so now this man is shocked. How is it possible? When he done it, he was not able to fill it. Everything was coming outside. But when the teacher was doing, everything fitted inside. So he was surprised. And then here comes the lesson of the story. Guys, listen. So the first thing where the sir fitted inside is that big stones. Big stones in our life is nothing. It's the health, family, character. We should give importance to the first, that is the big stone, that is health, family and character. We should prioritize this first. And the pebbles. Pebbles are the small things. These are the studies, money, etc. And the last is sand. Sand is nothing. It's all about our worries, feelings and a little pleasure. So if we manage all these things, we should be able to give priority for the most important things. Okay? So that's all. Now the man understood that his life was not heavy. He was the one who used useful things and thought unnecessary things and was stressed. Okay? So that's it.
So good afternoon everyone. I'm going to tell about the life teaching based on power of simplicity. So the first one is simplicity is the strength. So it tells about a simple life is not about an empty life. It is a life with focus. The second one is prioritize what matters. So as she told, like health, family, honesty and peace are the biggest stone in our life. So less is more. Happiness does not come from having many things, but from valuing the right things. The fourth one is charity brings peace. About the peace I'm going to say. So when we simplify, we remove stress with live and balance.
So I'm Bhavna. I'm going to conclude this power of simplicity. So friends, remember, life is not about adding more, but about removing what is unnecessary. True success is not completion, but in living simply with purpose.
hello everyone, I'm Ashna. Okay, let me finish with two short little stories. Once a teacher asked her student, if you had only one slice of cake and two of your friends come into your home, what would you do? The boy quickly replied, simple madam, I will eat it by myself. And the whole class burst into laughter. The teacher smiled and said, that's funny, but here's the truth. Life will often give you less than what you expect. The real smartness is not in avoiding the problem, but finding a way to include others in your life. And that's the lesson. True success is not how big your cake is, but how big is your heart is. Thank you so much.